In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product tabs in Shopify, showcasing an efficient way to enhance your online store's product pages. To begin, let's navigate to your Shopify admin homepage by logging into your store. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Apps. This is where you'll find all the applications that can enhance your Shopify store's functionality. Next, in the App Store search bar, type Tabs. This is to help you locate an app that specializes in creating product tabs. Now look through the search results and click on Trusted Product Tabs with AI. It's a highly recommended app for its user-friendly features and efficient integration with Shopify. After finding the app, click on Install to add it to your store. The installation process might prompt you to confirm a few permissions. Simply follow through by clicking on Install again to finalize the installation. Once done, you'll have the option to continue with a free plan of the app, which can be a great way to test its features without any initial investment. Click on Continue with Free. Now with the app installed, the next step is to set up the product tabs. You can do this by navigating to the app dashboard and clicking on Set Up Product Tabs. Here you'll start customizing the product tabs to fit the needs of your store. Start by editing the heading type and default tab title to ensure they align with your branding. You can also choose whether to include the first tab in the tab block. Remember to save your progress regularly by clicking on Save. Moving forward, click on Trusted Tabs to manage the overall settings related to product tabs. From there, you can create shared tabs by clicking Create Shared Tabs. This option allows you to apply the same tabs to multiple products across your store. To enhance user engagement, click Add Shared Tab and add any necessary content, such as a paragraph that describes your products or provides additional information. Don't forget to activate the shared tab by clicking on Active and name your shared tab to easily reference it in the future. After updating your settings, save the changes. For advanced customization, click Design. Here you can modify various aspects such as layout, responsiveness, padding, margin, colors, typography and borders, ensuring that your product tabs complement the design of your site perfectly. Once your design selections are made, choose a suitable template and click Save. Finally, click on Online Store, then Customize and look for the app embed icon to activate the product tabs on your live store. Turn it on to make sure everything is displayed correctly, and once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save one last time to ensure your settings are applied. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized product tabs in Shopify, enhancing your product pages for a better user experience. Enjoy the improved functionality and watch as your customers find the information they need with ease.